Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. We're gonna have a very quick update for Hbar. And before we're gonna start it, please make sure to read the disclaimer that I'm gonna post. Thank you. Hi and welcome back. So this is our previous chart for Hbar. We have our update on this price right here. As per our previous charting, which you can check on our playlist, we can just expect a consolidation on this range, lower than the support that we have around 10 cents. Then we can go around 92 to 76. As for me, from this range, I would actually expect Hbar to make a move to the upside and have a target around 0.618, especially the moment it break out the 0.382. That will be 20% from the 0.382, while from here, that will be 30%. But on the other hand, again, our support will be 92 cents or around 76 cents. But definitely for this coming month of June, I'm gonna expect a test at 0.18, and a breakout right here will be really bullish since it's gonna be on its way to this high right here. And my target after this range will be around 0.93 to around $1. You may also comment what are your levels for Hbar. Anyway, yesterday, the SEC approved 19B for forms of BlackRock, Grayscale, Van Eck, Fidelity, ARK, and other ETF issuers. They just need to have their S1 registration documents to go effective. Then spot Ethereum ETF can start trading. According to Bloomberg ETF analyst, this can take a couple of weeks or longer, but we can already hear the progress within a week or so. Additionally, there's another pro-crypto bill that have been approved. The CBDC Anti-Surveillance Act of Congressman Tom Emmer passes the House. This legislation emphasizes the critical need for any proposed CBDC to be open, permissionless, and private, aligning with the freedom enjoyed by traditional cash. With a lot of pro-blockchain bills that just got approved within just a span of 2 weeks, this just really proved that the tides have turned for the crypto industry, which endured a lot of hardships with the current administration, starting with Ripple at December 2020. So let's look forward for more good news within the space. And for now, that's it for our short-term support and resistance on this range for Hbar. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below if you have some coins for me to chart. Click the notification bell so you will be updated on new videos that I'm gonna upload. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.